Let me show you how you can restore to the default settings on your Garmin Instinct 3. Maybe you have messed something up in the settings, maybe something is not working anymore. So this is how we can essentially return it to the original state. So press and hold the menu button, then press it once more shortly and enter the system menu by pressing the GPS button. Okay, and then scroll all the way down till you see this reset option. So select it, and we are going to select the reset default settings. So they also have this like delete data and reset settings, but we actually do not want that. So we just want this reset default settings. So let's click with this again. Confirm, yep. And then we simply have to wait some moment. It will do its job, reset, restart, and yeah, simply wait it out. Okay, then let's select language, pair with phone. Then in your Garmin Connect app, click over here on the watch and click add device. So we actually need to add it once more. But again, we actually won't lose any data from this watch. So again, this will simply like reset it without actually losing any data we have on. Okay, and basically it found our phone. Let's click connect. Allow all the stuff. Okay, simply wait it out. Okay, next. Confirm. And we have the watch back and it's ready to be used. So again, this basically resets all the settings, but you actually won't lose any data on your watch, and everything will actually function normally as should. And as you see, if I basically go in my data, you can see I still have my activities left. So again, I simply have new settings, so the default settings, but again, everything is still there. You see, I have all my details and everything is actually safe, but again, everything is returned to the factory default state, all the settings, all menus and key combinations and stuff like that. So yeah, good luck guys.